Good morning, everybody, and welcome to and that tune means it's once again time for Option Pit. The I'm just trying to think. Your home for options education and volatility trading. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming you and making money. Totally unsolicited comment from our clients, which I guess is good. It has not been a bad week, I have to say. Not a lot of complaints from me. So, in the spirit of that, Mark worked on this presentation with Jeremy Mullen, a stock trader, trying to meld some options and stock trading. Presentation today at 1:30 Eastern Time. And I encourage everybody to check it out. All right. For all you regular Option Pit clients, it's on the schedule. All right. We will be posting this. I think Mark already had sent something out, but I'll post it to the blog as well for today. Okay. So we have a couple of, we'll just call it, I don't think there's going to be a lot happening today. I could totally be wrong. And I know VIX Central is no longer useful, so I have to pull up my, well, I guess you'll get the idea here, right? Let me pull up my tick chart real fast. Okay. Here is the 5-day tick chart of VIX, close to 20. VIX lower than it was today, but kind of it's like it's inching back up a little bit. One thing you can see here is two vol futures. Okay. They're catching a little bit into the weekend. Okay. Not a huge one, but my sense is that they're going to bid this. The market probably isn't going anywhere. If not, most likely it's flat to down, maybe, who knows. But they're going to bid the vol futures into the weekend because ultimately nobody knows what happens. So if you own some calls for protection, maybe create some call spreads, something of that nature. But as of right now, I'm looking at most of the vol futures up, right, July, August, with VIX cash fractionally down. And at least we are back into a slight contango versus the new VIX cash. Okay, so the market hasn't, I would say, rolled back into the full contango because we have a potential event, and when you have potential events, that's what happens. So I don't expect a lot to happen today. Vol probably ratchets up a little bit. I even think at some point VIX catches a bid here by the end of today. Let's look for the SPY and the term structure, right? It's flattish, but I'm going to be surprised if it doesn't catch a bid, like I said. Even if the index goes up, normally you've got vol up, index up, it generally is not sustainable. And I think opportunities probably maybe in the airlines. The premium looks like it jumped in there. We'll take a look at that today in our little truncated pit report. So overall, though, vol up, maybe market up a little bit, could be anywhere. And you wait for the referendum on Sunday. And I think that's all we've got. It's going to kind of be a snoozy one. All right. And Monday, we could be literally anywhere within 1.5% of where we are now, or 1.5% or over where we are now. That is, that's my feeling. All right, everybody, have a good day. I will see you in our shortened pit report today. And with that, you guys have a good one. Bye-bye.